Hi, my name's Shannon and I'm the Director and Senior Migration Agent at Education and Migration Services Australia, and welcome to our Tip of the Week. In this week's Tip of the Week, we're going to talk about the difference between migration agents and migration lawyers, as this is a question we get quite a lot. In simple terms, a lawyer is someone who has studied a university degree, usually a bachelor degree, or potentially a Juris Doctor degree, to become a lawyer. Now, they may practice law in a number of different areas, not just migration, so they could do family law, criminal law, and potentially migration law as well. A migration agent, on the other hand, has studied a course related to migration law solely. The course would be a lot smaller, like a graduate certificate or potentially a graduate diploma, and each of the migration agents is registered with the Migration Agents Authority. Now, what are the differences between the two? Well, both are qualified to deal with any matters to do with the Department of Immigration when it comes to migration. So migration agents and migration lawyers can both lodge visa applications, assess your case, and put forward an application that gives you the best chance of success. With respects to what a migration lawyer can do that a migration agent can't do, let's say, for example, your visa application has been refused and it proceeds to the Administrative Appeals Tribunal. This is where you appeal a decision if you've had a refusal. Both migration agents and migration lawyers can practice and represent you at the Administrative Appeals Tribunal, but if that was affirmed, meaning that the case was still refused, and you wanted to take that one step further, let's say to the federal court, that's when a lawyer would be able to represent you and a migration agent wouldn't. But with anything else to do with migration, a migration agent can represent you in the same terms that a migration lawyer can. Thank you for listening to our Tip of the Week on the difference between a migration agent and a migration lawyer.